Let's get the G900 unboxed and see what we're working with. We are impressed with not only the packaging, but the quality of the components as well. Also available is a hardware kit for a more permanent install. Now let's break out the individual parts. Now let's take a look at the installation, which is very easy and very straightforward. Locate these two rubber straps and attach as shown. Next, we mount the mirror dash cam onto the vehicle. Be sure and remove all protective films. And next, we're ready to hook up our cameras. Since this install is going on a Jeep Wrangler, we decided to use the front bumper cam. Here's a look. We selected this area on the front bumper to mount the camera. High quality automotive double stick tape is provided in the kit. And here's the front bumper camera installed. This camera carries an IP67 rating, which means it can withstand temporary immersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. With our cameras mounted and all wired up, let's see it in action. Now, let's get acquainted with some of our menu screens. Lots of adjustability here. I love that. Recording starts automatically or can be controlled with talk or tap. In the recording playback menu, you can review, delete, share, etc. The dash cam allows you to record video and stills. Here's the voice command settings. Get familiar with these. Now it's time to go for a drive. The first thing you'll notice is screen clarity and sharpness. The resolution looks great. And here we can see how easy it is to change camera views by simply swiping. If you find yourself off the beaten path as we do at times, the addition of the front rear cameras is very useful. Back on the pavement, simply switch over to the main camera. Easy and simple. Now let's see what camera quality looks like after dark. As you can see, the Wolfbox G900 is providing excellent clarity and resolution through all cameras. The ability to change camera angle is an excellent feature. Voice-activated commands provide safe, convenient functionality. We love having the ability to adjust camera angles on all cameras. The on-off voice activation makes it easy to turn the unit off and on as needed. The included GPS display feature brings all the tech to one simple display. We love the feature-packed G900 TriPro. With its ability to record and monitor inside the cabin and outside the vehicle, it provides safety as well as convenience. We hope you've enjoyed this review. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.